Welcome back to my channel, and if you guys have not seen me before, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. So today's video is going to be about a Firmoo glasses review. And before I start anything, I just want to show you guys this jacket that I'm wearing. It is a customized denim jacket from my friend Mackenzie, and if you are interested, she does design a bunch of customizable clothing such as shirts, jackets, denim jackets, hats, bandanas, etc. So if you wanted to look at her work, go ahead and find her on Instagram at Maxsun. And I will go ahead and link her information down below as well. Just recently I ordered 2 new glasses from Firmoo.com, and I want to share with you guys how I ordered them online and how I feel about them. So I know that ordering glasses online can be pretty difficult because you can't try on the glasses, you can't physically pick up the glasses, put them on, and look at yourself in the mirror. I know that I personally had kind of a difficult time ordering these glasses online, so I will go ahead and give you a few steps on how to successfully order your glasses online. So I will show you how to pick your glasses based on your face shape, how to measure your pupillary distance, or your PD, which is the distance between your pupil to another pupil, and you basically need that information when you're ordering glasses online so they can make those glasses fit to your size. I'll also talk about how to compare your old glasses versus your new glasses in terms of frame size and measurements. I will talk about pricing on Firmoo.com based on the glasses that I bought, and finally I will show you the checkout process. So the first thing is picking your glasses based on your face shape. So for me, I have a very round face. I always tell people that my face reminds me of a lowercase o. So because my face is super round, I didn't want to go for any glasses that are too round because it'll make my face look even rounder than it already is. So what I found to be a really good shape for round face people such as myself are, what are they called? The shapes that are kind of like the Wayfarer glasses, kind of like a capital D that's rotated so that it's like this and like that. So I found that shape to be really good for round face people because it doesn't make you look too round and it doesn't emphasize the roundness of your face either. So I went ahead and ordered 2 glasses of that shape. Next, to order online, you need to know your PD, also known as your pupillary distance. So this is the distance that is from one pupil to another pupil, and this is something that can get kind of difficult when measuring yourself. So I went ahead and went online and looked up how to measure your PD. There are a lot of videos on YouTube that you can find, but something that is needed to measure your PD is getting a PD ruler. And so I did not have one of those. Go online and look up printable PD ruler. Go ahead and print that out. Firmoo actually has one themselves. Printed it out, and my dad helped me cut it up and fold it up and tape it up so that it wouldn't be too flimsy as a piece of paper, so we kind of coated it with some plastic tape to make it more sturdy. My PD came out to 55 millimeters. So what that means is that from the middle to my right eye was 27 millimeters, and from the middle to my left eye was 28 millimeters. And to get your PD total, you pretty much just add those 2 numbers together and you get the total, which mine was 55. Now I'm going to talk about how to compare your old glasses versus your new glasses. So these are my old glasses. I got these glasses back in 2013 from Costco, and the brand is Furla, but the reason why I like these was because even though they're from 2013, that is 5 years ago, and they've never broken. I've dropped them a couple times, I've sat on them a couple times, but they are still in really good condition. After 5 years, I finally wanted to get some new glasses, and I heard about this website from my friend. So my package came in. I ordered these glasses on January 8th, and I received them on January 18th. So it only took 10 days for these glasses to get to me. I already opened it, but I closed it just to show you guys again. So you take out the glasses. Each of them come in their own microfiber cloth case, but when you open it, you take it out. It also comes in a black plastic case. You open that up, it comes with a microfiber cloth that says Firmoo.com on it. And then your glasses come inside in a slim Ziploc bag. So because I got 2 pairs of glasses, I got 2 repair kits, 2 microfiber cases, 2 plastic cases, and 2 microfiber cloths. Okay, so let's talk about how to compare your old glasses to your new glasses online. Something that I found on Firmoo's website was that they showed you the frame measurements. I wanted to see what my old glasses measurements were, so I just used a simple measuring tape like this, and I used a side that says centimeters and then converted them to millimeters. The front side, which is from here to here, measured out to be 135 millimeters. And then I measured the side, which is from the front of the glasses to the back, and this also ended up being 135 millimeters. And then the last thing that I measured were the lenses from the top to the bottom, and this ended up being 35 millimeters. So taking those measurements, I tried to find some glasses that weren't too far off from those numbers. These black glasses, I looked at the measurements online and they are listed under the pictures of the glasses. It will show you the frame size and the measurements and everything. The front, which is from here to here, this was 140 and my old ones were 135, so it's not too far off. And then the side, which is from here to here, these ones were 137 millimeters, which is only 2 millimeters bigger than my old ones. And then the lenses from the top to the bottom ended up being 40 millimeters. And so that's also another 5 millimeters bigger than my old ones. So these, in comparison to my old glasses, they weren't too far off. They were only 5 millimeters or less bigger than my old ones. And then for the pink ones, for the front of these ones, from here to here measured out to be 142 millimeters. And then the side, which is from the back to the front, this totaled out to be 136 millimeters. And then the lenses on these ones, from the top to the bottom, these ones ended up being 44 millimeters. So the same as the other ones, the numbers are a little off for my old glasses, but they aren't too far off to the point where I think it's not gonna fit well. I picked both of these glasses because they were within the same frame size range, and I knew that it wouldn't be too much of a difference. So when you order your glasses, and if you do have an old pair of glasses, go ahead and measure the front, the side, and the lenses on your old glasses to take those numbers in millimeters and compare it to the frame size that Firmoo provides for you. If it's too far off and you feel a little bit iffy about ordering those, then go ahead and skip over those ones because you don't want to buy glasses that are too big or too small. But if they're pretty much within the same millimeter range, then you should be okay with ordering those glasses as well. So on Firmoo, their glasses don't really have any names. It's pretty much just a mix of letters and numbers. So these black and gold glasses are the S3543X glasses. And these are really, really thin on the edges, which is not that bad because I did want some lightweight glasses. It makes it a little bit easier to wear because it's less distracting on your face. I picked black and gold because I always found those two colors together to be very elegant and very classy. And then these glasses right here are the clear pink glasses, and these ones are called S960R. These ones contain more plastic than the other ones. It's more of like a plastic lens and plastic down on the side except for the middle part right here, which is the gold metal. But both of the glasses have those nose parts, which is something that I really needed because I have a nose piercing. With these nose guards, it holds my glasses up so that they don't fall onto my piercing. And for these black and gold ones, on the website, when it gives you the name of the glasses, to the right of them, these ones specify as being size medium. And I didn't really find that to be too much of a burden when I was ordering them because it was pretty much based on the measurements of the glasses when it came to frame size. And these pink ones said wide. But even though it said wide, it didn't really play a factor into, again, me ordering the glasses because it was based on measurements. So those words next to the title of the glasses, you don't really have to pay attention to them. If it says medium, if it says wide, or if it says anything else, you can kind of disregard that and just scroll down and check the frame size measurements for a more accurate description. Now moving on to pricing. So for these black and gold glasses, these ones came out to $23.99, and where it tells you the frame size and everything, it also tells you what PD it's best for, and these ones said it was best for PD 61 to 80. My PD is only 55, so because my PD was so low but I wanted to order these glasses, it specified that I would have to pay an additional $10 because I had to pay for special lenses so that the PD won't be affected, since these ones were preferred for higher PDs. Instead of being $23.99 like the original price, they ended up being $33.99 for me. And now for these clear and pink glasses, these ones were also the same price, $23.99, and it said that it was best for PD 60 to 80. And I know that was just a couple millimeters off from the black ones, but for some reason these ones did not require me to get special lenses for them, so for these ones I just paid a straight $23.99. Okay, so now we're moving on to checking out. After you've spent minutes and or hours like me picking your glasses, then you can finally check out. You get to pick some features of your glasses that you want them to have or not have. So for me, I didn't really add too many things, but I did have some additional payments for each glasses because of some features that I added. For both of them, I got the same features. So I specified that the glasses are for distance, which is to see far, and then for the lenses I picked the standard 1.5, which is what they recommend. And then for both of the glasses I added 2 add-ons. So the first one was anti-scratch, which was free and they recommended it, and the next one was anti-reflective and anti-radiation, and I added both of those to each of my glasses for $4.95 each. So totaling out my glasses, the black and gold ones were $33.99, these clear pink ones were $23.99, and then you add the $4.95 each, that totaled out to $67.88. But every time I've gone on Firmoo, they usually have a buy one get one free deal going on, and so when I ordered my glasses, that deal was available, so I got the cheaper pair, which were these ones for $23.99 for free. So subtracting that $23.99 and adding $5.95 for shipping, my overall total for both of these glasses ended up being $49.84. And I think that is a steal, you guys, because glasses tend to be really, really expensive, especially if they're brand name. But for me, I wanted 2 different styles. As you can see, I picked the black and gold one for like a casual everyday look, and then I picked these clear pink ones for kind of like a fun, like more colorful look. So paying roughly $50 for 2 glasses I found was really, really good because that only makes each pair of glasses $25. But when you order on Firmoo, these glasses might even be cheaper for you because I did have to pay an additional $10 for the special lenses, but if not, I would have paid roughly $40 for both glasses, making each about 20 bucks. So I am very, very content with my order, you guys, and I hope that this video helps you measure your glasses, measure your PD, and pick your glasses online on Firmoo. And if you have any questions or if you need clarification on anything that I've mentioned before, please comment down below and I will answer those questions for you. I'm really happy about my glasses and I will definitely be ordering from Firmoo again if ever needed new glasses. And if I do, I will try and post another review for those, as I am very, very content with these 2 pairs. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and good luck if you're going back to school or work after winter break, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!